Now the women come mumu pass. No, they use sense. Eh? Boy say he love you. You don't born for the boy. You see they go road work. Eh? You see they go road work. Then you cause they talk say you get wife. Iwe ni wa do tamu wa. Iwe ni do one wa. A rubbish ni wa stop pay. A rubbish ni wa stop pay. Wa mana stop pay. Mo yan do amu wa laja with Facebook. Why in the year? Ya we saga all the presenters. Hai imawo wa. Some boys in France, you people are constituting nuisance. The kind of news where they get, the kind of news where they get from some France boys, not be all. Yo, they say your wife, they go out work. You call a phone big boy for Facebook. Eh? What do I phone a big boy on Facebook? My dear, you are not a big boy. Anyway, Magba, woman love for woni. Or not love, where to get go. If not girlfriend, I will see the year. Say they see they do girlfriend. You not still good self. Eh? Talk less off. The girl not born for you. The girl say they do a shower work. You are proud to say it. Say you be big boy. You are proud to say it. Say you be daddy yo. Una name say with me oh. And you walk going. Yes, you are disgrace who are born. Kiwa kene de get. Ya disgrace who are ya. In the afternoon, you will not go to sleep. In the night, you will say your wife go to work, you call the look picking. I don't believe. Not be one, not be two people who don't catch you. Say you newly born. You newly born. You dey go to work. For Paris. Anyway, Magba, you know yourself. You know yourself. I say, man, your friend call your turn, you say, you don't enter, man. Yeah, if I hear her again, I'll post a picture. You don't see anything to me. Yeah, you post a picture where, may I see, you can't see what you feel do if I don't post your picture. Wherever they do those rubbish, when do they pass? Which kind message you they pass to the younger ones? You they tell me now, say, if your woman, your sister born tomorrow, man can't they treat her the way they treat that girl? Will you be happy? Will you be happy? I'm telling you, this is no joke. This is no joke. I know what I'm saying. And some people for France know, say, waiting at the talk so that the truth is too much. This message, not be today, not be they tell me, but I know they believe. I say that the boy life, you not concern me. But the thing they repeat again, you newly born, you go road work. And your husband they look picky for you. You are stupid. Anyway, Magba. Road work. When your friends they do, they marry, they stop and you say till you die. Any boy that don't want to stay with you just because you know they do road work again, tell that boy to go to hell. Break up. Break up. Stop forming a big girl when you are not a big girl. Why will you be doing road work for a guy that calls himself your husband? You know if he take care of you. I'm not making take care of you, eh? France, some France boys, why I provoke you, eh? My meaning what guess is then. Why I provoke you, eh? If you provoke me, yeah, I'm a sure well that don't mean you way. It's a secret way, yeah. Go and work and stop depending on another beer, not to have me go nowhere. Some France boys do not get driving license. Why make driving license? Now they drive car. Now they buy cars. Now because they use and they intimidate boys when they work for France. That one, I girlfriend will have to come. They say, not be this person, be this. Not be this person, be this one. But I mean, where? If I boil our way. But I mean, where? If man say no what, let her go. For you to dey please am because of say you don't want make he leave you because of what people want talk. You call a go road work because of one man when you don't born. For you to look for better job, take care of your pikin. Work, they say work difference. Bonjour people. No one provoke me again, oh. Ça va? Ça va bien? Ça va bien, not bien for you. Yeah, not your ça va at all. Yeah, na rubbish. You know ça va? If you dey do those rubbish, you go stop her. Send your wife to do ashawo. When she don't born, mama, who the I'm ready to you na in Babola we. Who the police ready? I invite you come here. You invite you where do you want? Me invite you where? Apo where? Then you are gwalo. Secretary, okay, me go na we are here. Larry, who carry here in go no person ready ni. But what way? Yes, we are so well adian. Wa mi wa no love wa lele. E boys no ma rien, no mo chance ayu polisan. No kwa ligo ko ni aya di moto. No kwa ligo ko ni aya mo wa me France. E wa vielele. Ya expose wa ya. We no wa record me record wa. We no wa information, il me yon we dian. Oh ouais, nous mari toi ve, ama kan ve. Igo ni nu we ni. Obo asun adane. Why you go ni yasun mu na? Yawe business. Huh? Boys are working in France. You reach your turn. You say that the woman go pay you. Who know that be here? You are not even ashamed of yourself. For you to slap your husband, make some teeth fall come off for a mat. You see the thought saying, no, Andy. Eh, they worry. Yeah, why are you? Why are you in Upo? Just because you want to please a man. You see the go road work. So you cannot take care of yourself and your wife and your baby without saying your wife not go road work. My dear, this is just a short warning and a video, short video. If they do those rubbish, you stop her. Oh man, stop it. Hey. Yeah, I post a picture when I beg you, evidence yaro. But there's even a snap, they say come for me. But I don't want to disgrace you. I don't want to disgrace you. But you know yourself. They say not rich till like that for Paris. When their wife they go to work. Now be your guy. Now don't say your wife go to work finish at the end of the day una come Facebook come dey use una money wey una see for road work take dey intimidate us wey no dey send our wife dey go road work. Una wan tell us say una work pass, na una come hustle pass. We no sabi hustle. Sending your wife to do ashawo is out of it. It's out of it. It's not called for. It does not make sense. If you love a woman, you are not supposed to hurt that woman. You are not supposed to even allow any woman, any man to who they say hello, talk us or say you can't get mad. Man, if you allow you go road work, that man not love you, my sister. So I do this video now. If you the verse, but I don't care. I don't care. A man that will allow you to go, he go say me you leave baby for us. Make you go do road, make you go do ashawo. Say cause say money for see money. That man don't love you. If you think he loves you, my dear, you are your own. No. That man not love you. Tomorrow he can use it against you. If he tell you say you not be better person, imagine you dey go road work. He not go talk say na he send you again. Oh. He not talk say na he send you again. That time, if you like, cut out for Facebook. Nobody is going to believe you. So you have to hold your ground and tell your husband, I'm not doing this rubbish again. If you cannot take me for who I am, get out. If you cannot take me for who I am, move. Sending your woman to do road work is very bad. I'm ashamed. You open your eye, send me your wife go to do okpo. Woman wey you just sleep with, wey don born for you, your wife. No dey tire una. Shawo no dey tire una. Ashawo no dey tire una. Now una do una come born. You know what? Why am I here worry? France boys, very careful. Very careful. France boys, be very, very careful. Una names dey with me, but I no want go do something wey come be say or say this ENOGIE na bad person. This is a warning. If you know say you dey do that kind of game, stop am. Because no matter how me and you go close reach, if I find that say you join, I'm exposing you. I am exposing you. You and the girl, I will expose the both of you. And nothing will happen. Nothing. None of you do me anything. Let this be the first and let this be the last. The next time I see or I hear anything like this, na problem una go enter for my hand. Problem! Wahala. Oh boy. Ito rimawa. E mata no ro. E me watamuwa na. Wa like. Wari. Wa ma like. Wa we. That is it. Alright. Now, let's go to GPC. I too love una. but una go do me one favor. This video is for France boys. I have to come back again and talk about GPC. Okay? Things you need to know about GPC. I'm their big supporter, and I love them so much, and I will continue to love them. Okay? Good. France boys, na short video I do.